Alright, so I thought I'd make a video about the wheels that I'm going to try to put on this car. I think in the first overview video, I think I talked about I got these nice Toyos here, snow tires, but it is now late March, and it's starting to warm up, finally. So I bought these wheels the other day. They're off a 2015 GT, possibly. They're not sure. Either as a V6 or GT, I don't know. I saw that these come on GTs, but maybe on V6s as well. I like them so far. I think they're gonna look pretty good. I actually already bought a set of wheels and I sold them because I didn't like them as much as I thought I would. I'll post a picture right here. And basically, after some thought, I thought they looked I thought the American Muscle look is cool, but I want it to look a little more modern considering this is a 2012 and I didn't want it to look older than it is. So I think this style is like a little American Muscle, a little more modern with these with the two-tone and the flat here, but it still looks a little American Muscle like with these five fat spokes, I don't know. Oh, I also like these center caps. Those are pretty cool. These ones are cool, but I don't know, they're a little outdated. I do like those a lot more, but I'm definitely gonna keep that badge on there, and then I wanna take care of this sticker here. I don't like it. It screams V6. I'm not trying to say I have a 5.0 Mustang, but I also think it looks a little tacky. It's like white on blue, kind of weird. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these as my winter wheels. I got these nice snow tires on here. These rims are chipping. Another big reason why I got a different set of wheels. Let me show you the other side. This one's pretty bad. Like, I don't know if it's the salt or what, but this one is not good. Even the emblem, look at it. The little red's gone. The horse is not looking too healthy anymore, and it's just chipping everywhere. So this will be my winter set. Tires are already on it. I'll paint them maybe gloss black this fall, maybe dark charcoal, but I already have that color, so maybe just gloss black. I don't think I'm gonna go with the gunmetal. It's kind of hard to match gunmetal with just like a paint can. I'm probably gonna buy a paint gun this year too and see what I can do with some small stuff and see where I end up with these. So yeah, let me the tires are okay. They're Goodyear Eagle F1s, and the date codes were the date code right here. So that's 25th week of 2015. These tires are okay. Like, there's tread, you know, but they're getting a little hard. I'm gonna run them for a few months and see how I like it, see how they ride. But I think they're getting a little old, and the corners are getting a little rounded on these as well. So I'm gonna check the PSI, pump them up, and then I'm gonna wash them up. You know, they're all dirty. I like to scrub the insides in here before I put new or used wheels on a car. When I buy them, I like to clean it all in here and whatnot. So let me get that going. All right, let's get these bad boys cleaned up. I got my hose. I got this new flex hose from Amazon. Pretty cool. And I like to use McGuire's wheel and tire cleaner. Works pretty damn good. Try not to let it sit on there too long. I got my trusty brush. And squirt it. I know it's all in the dirt, whatever. So you see it's working. Man, I'm working in the sun. Stuff is drying quick. Alright, looks good. Alright, looking good. So now I'm gonna do the insides. Might seem a little OCD to do the insides, but like I said, it came out from another car, so I like to do it initially when I first put used wheels on. This looks cleaner for the year. Who knows how many miles I've damaged with all the gunk in there. So, see how dirty it is. Seems like I can scrub that out. That looks like I can scrub it out with that brush. So typically with like a gunmetal wheel, like a silver, if it's really bad, I'll take quadruple zero, what is it? It's like a steel wool, and then I put polish in here, and it gets it real clean. It might scratch it a touch, but it gets it really clean. Looks like I got a little tar in here too. Yeah, construction. Yeah, So let's get this one sprayed up. You don't need a ton of this stuff, it's pretty potent. I don't think you should let it sit on the wheels too long either. Better scrub it up though. Alright, let's cut this. Alright, got my new brush here. There's their little stuff, but you do a good job. Alright, all scrubbed up. The dish came out pretty good. See in there? I'm gonna get my Scotch Ripper in here. See, it's like still all chunked up in there. So I'll get that in a second. All right, so this is quadruple zero fine steel wool, and I use this for a lot of stuff. It feels like cotton. It's kind of nice. So I'm gonna spray some cleaner in there. You'll see how well this will come out. Just more abrasion. I wouldn't do this on the face of the rim. I would if it was terrible and then I polish it after, which is a lot of work, but just generally hitting it. I want them to be nice and clean for a few years. Get all the gunk out. I could go crazy with that and looks like I can't get every bit in there, but I'm getting most of it, so that's what matters to me. All right, so let's see. Let's put this here. See how that comes out. Yeah, it's better. See how like that's all clean here? It's still chunky in there, but I wanted to get, you know, that off mostly, so you don't see it. All right, let me do all of them. All right, so it's all rinsed off. It looks good. Looking good in there. Last thing I'm gonna do is sometimes you get a little tar in here. Just take a plastic scraper and just hit it. You can hear it popping out. Then I'll rinse it after I'm done. But I think these wheels came out pretty good. I still have 3 more to go, but that's a nice clean wheel ready to go on. So let me do the other 3, and then we'll see how they look. All right, here they are all cleaned up. I think they came out real nice. I'm happy with the condition of the rims too. They're not too chipped. I mean, they're not perfect, and of course I wish they were perfect. But the shine is still there, I'd say, from factory, so that's good. Currently drying. And then my plan is to let them dry, let the hubs or the where mounts to the hub on the car, or the rotors, dry out, and then I'll slap them on. All right, so we got her jacked up, and I just zipped off the OEM wheel. And so I'm gonna put this one on, but I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. That's usually what I do for my wheels, because I've had a wheel be frozen on before. It's actually pretty clean here. It's got new pads in there from the dealer I got it, the used dealer. But I would always highly recommend cleaning this out before you put another wheel on, because you can get a frozen rim on there. And when you don't have a sledgehammer to take it off, it's not a good day. Right, so then I take this, my anti-seize. For the anti-seize, yeah, I'm not trying to put too much on it. It's easy to put too much on with this brush, but I'm just gonna smear this around a little bit, choose that, kind of go in a little pattern. And I usually end up with something like that. It's a little more than I wanted, but it goes a long way. I try to avoid getting on the threads. So yeah, I got the inside of the wheel all cleaned up. I chose the direction I wanted these used tires to go, and I'm gonna slap it on. Okay, so that's the look with the wheel on. I think it looks a lot better than the ones in the front. I think the ones in the front are too spokey. Just like the Focus over there. Every new car's got spokey wheels. I like the Fat 5s. So yeah, that's the look, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm gonna put the other 3 on and we'll see how the stance looks. Okay, so that's the final look of one whole side, and I absolutely love it. I think it looks great. I don't think it looks too tacky. The rims were pretty cheap because they're 18s. Let me show you the other side. I haven't done that yet, but you know, that's what it was, which I think is decent. But I just feel like that looks so much better. It'll be a great summer look, and if I want to change them up, all I gotta do is take them off and get another set. So alright, well, that's gonna be the end of this video because I'm just gonna do the other side and call it a day. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.